Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one love shot. Happy birthday, Aaron. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Aaron. Okay, yay. Thank you so much. So before this. Okay, and stop. Point the nose of your partner. Raise your one hand. Close your one eye and put out your tongue. Don't move. 1, 2, 3. Don't move. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, congratulations. Lahat kayo magagaling. So I'll give you another chance. Go. Okay, dance. Shake, wave your hips. Shake your hands pataas. And stop. Point the nose of your partner. Close your one eye. Pikitin sa mata. Taas ang kamay. Labas ang dila. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What are you doing to ano? Pinching the nose of Audrey. But don't worry, I'll give you your consolation praise song for Alice. So, how to do the Jollibee clap? So, when Ate Apple said sa Jollibee, bida ang saya, all you need to do is to raise your hands upward. Then, shake your hands. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Okay, energy, shake your hands. Then, when Ate Apple said, sa Jollibee, bida ang saya, all you need to do is to clap ng malakas. Okay, so let's practice. 1, 2, 3. Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Okay, medyo kulang pa sa energy. 1, 2, 3 sa Jollibee, bida ang saya! Yay! Yan. So, parang hindi aantunin. So, habang hinihintay natin yung special guest natin today, teacher, nasan po yung mga gift ni Alron? Ayan. Because Alron, mommy and daddy will help you to open your birthday gifts. Kaso medyo malayo. Ayan sa picture mo. Ayan. Then, all we need to do is to read the dedication for you. Ayan, meron pa palang gift na sa bag daw. Ayan, okay. So, dahil birthday ni Alron na siyang bidang-bidang-bida ngayon. Okay, so, Mommy Girlie and Daddy Alron will help you to open this gift. In courtesy of your classmates, teachers, and friends. Okay. Okay, so we have a lot of kids naman. So, Alron, are you ready to open your gift? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So, to Alron, happy birthday from Daniel. Okay, so can you open this gift na? And open. Open. You know how to open. Yan. Ganito ni Ate Apple. Ano kaya ang regalo ni Daniel? Okay, get. Wow! Okay. Yay! Ganda naman ang regalo ni Daniel. How about this? To Alron from J. Arango. Kay Jane T. Okay, so kuya, get your gift inside. Kuha. Kuha.
Kami na yan. Ano ko rin mo?
Yay! Wow! Akap! Ayan. Tignan natin kung kasha. Yay! Okay, so for the second gift, thank you so much, JT. And we have another one here to Aaron from Mix. Okay, so open this one, Kuya.
Ay, huwag mong tanggalin yung mata.
Ito, this one, Kuya. Kuha.
Ay, huwag mong tanggalin yung mata.
Okay, a set of t-shirt and short in SpongeBob. Okay. O, ito, punit mo ito. Natanggal mo daw kasi yung mata, sabi ni Mommy. Okay, so we have another one here. Walang dedication. Ayun, Aaron, happy birthday from Kate. Okay. Wow! A turtle! Turtle ba ito? Oo nga, turtle nga. Ayan! Baskin, ganda naman. Okay, how about this one? To Aaron, happy birthday from Jess.
Huwag mong tanggalin yung mata.
Okay, this one is a tumbler, a car tumbler. Yan. So, dami ng gift ni Kuya. Then, this one is to Aaron, happy birthday from Cedric. Okay. Get na tayo side, Kuya. Ay! Ayan. So, what's inside? Ayan, wow, a mini car. Then, we have another one here. Happy birthday, Aaron from Jen. Ginger. Ginger. Ayan. Parang Jin. Okay, yun. Pareho sila ni ano. Ayan din o. Pareho. Ayan. So, dalawa na yung tumbler mo. Then, we have another one to Carl. Ay, to Aaron from Kaden. Okay. Okay, that is yours. Thank you so much, Anika. Next. Okay. So, Denise, come here. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ayan, okay. Get your good bags. Ayan, okay. So, get your good bags. Yeah, very good. Okay, next. Who's next? Okay, you can go back to your seats now.
Here, Denise.
Upo na tayo na. Okay, so this is yours. Anna! Okay, so, si ate ako na. Happy birthday, Aaron! Okay, get your youth bags. Okay, give it to Anna. Anna! Ayan. Okay, next. Priel, come here. Okay. Okay, nakaw. Okay, so Priel, say happy birthday, Aaron. Ano? Okay, thank you so much, Priel. You na sit down. Okay, Casey. Ayan. Ayan. Casey, this is yours. Okay, say happy birthday. Yay! Okay, now it's time for the boys. Okay, yung baby muna. Ayan. Okay, Kuya. Ayan, saan ang Aaron? Andre, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ay, naku.
Birthday!
Yay! Okay, so this is yours. Thank you so much. Then, where's the next? Say happy birthday. Birthday. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Okay, who's next? Okay, who's next? Okay, say happy birthday, Aaron.
Happy birthday, Aaron.
Yes, okay, thank you so much. Who's next? Say happy birthday, Aaron. Yay! Okay, give it to Kid. Okay. Okay, so before anything else, bago ko bigyan yung ibang boys, dumating na kasi ang special guest na hinihintay nating lahat. Pero bago siya pumasok, magbibilang muna tayo ng 1 down to 5. I need a 1 down countdown from you. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Please welcome our lovable and hardworking friend, Jolly Rat, your one and only Jollibee! Hi, Jollibee! Here in our school for the 10th birthday of Aaron. Daddy Alan together with Mommy Girlie, the parents of Alron. So this is our new Jollibee. Hindi ka na. Ayan. Yay! Ayan. So this is Alron Jollibee. Ayan. Okay, so picture taking muna. Okay, joke lang yun, okay?
Jollibee. Ay, teacher. Pinagkukuha ni Kevin.
Dali lang,
Nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali.
Ano lang kakanta, Jollibee na?
Alam na mga bata.
Alam niyo yung mga bata.
Okay, let's sing a song for Jollibee.
Ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali. Halika na, doon na nga ang da. Labas lahat ng ngipin,
Sumasayaw sa... Ay, nag-stop dance yan, Jollibee. Stop.
sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag
Bida ang saya. Then, yung speaker kasi.
Ayan, naka-mannequin challenge si Jollibee.
Ayan, nakamaniking challenge.
Ayan, sige na. Sayaw na. Sayaw na.
Ayan, ayaw na Jollibee. So, first...
Tayo, tabi ang bata.
Ayan. Si Jante na lang kakanta.
Ayan, totoo na pa Jollibee, ha? Ayan. Hindi, okay naman. Napupul lang yung chord. Ayan, don't worry. Ayan, manonood kami lahat, ha?
Nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali. Halika na, tara na, doon na nga ang mula. Labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag bida ang saya. Di na tayo, dito tayo, kung saan bida ang bata. So Jollibee na tayo, mas matunog, mas masaya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, bida ang masaya. Dito lahat, dito lahat, bida. Pinagsamang saya, sarap. Sige na, saya na. Sa lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag bida ang saya. Bida tayo, kung saan bida ang bata. Sa Jollibee na tayo, mas matunog, mas masaya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, walang iba. Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya.
Yay! Thank you so much, Jollibee, for having a great dance number. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more, mas malakas, mas mabilis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, so Aaron, it's time to blow your third birthday candle. At the count of three, close your eyes and make a wish. Ah! Happy birthday, Kuya. One more, open. Sindihan mo ulit, Kuya Jason.
Jante, sit ka. Picture, pinupuha.
Ayan, okay. So, close your eyes, Kuya Aaron, and make a wish. Okay, ready?
Ay.
Okay,
Wala po
one,
pa. Si ano na?
2, 3, blow! Yay! Nahirap si Mommy Bernie. Naubusan. Okay, sa malusog, malakas, at always be healthy, guwapo, at kagaya ni Daddy Alan. Ayan, best friend sila. Oh. And for the second wish, gusto ni Jollibee si Alron lumaking bata, matalino, at hindi matigas ang ulo at always be good boy kay Mommy, Daddy, at sa ating lahat. Palakpakan naman natin yung second wish. Yan. And for the third wish, Jollibee, gusto mo si Aldron is lumaking bata at tayong lahat na always be happy. Siyempre like our one and only Jollibee. Yay! Okay, so it's eating time. Bago mag-bye-bye si Jollibee, lahat muna